What's up, guys? Many of you ask, why is the Super Financial Trader signals are so powerful? You got to understand, in over 25 years of research, the system has aggregated over 700 million data points. We derive with over 30 million decisions, and we condense these decisions down to 1,700 signals. Then we take those 1,700 signals, we added weight to them to derive with 3 powerful signals for the daily, for the weekly, for the monthly. That's what make up the Super Financial Trader powerful signal for day trading, momentum trading, swing trading. Remember, it looked very simple. Behind the scene, there are many servers that are running. If you have any type of asset that you are trading, it's extremely important to know your entry point, your exit. The system will not only give you the decision for the entry point, but it will also monitor the reversal. It doesn't matter if you are trading part-time, if you are trading full-time, whatever type of trader you are, the system will become a guidance for you. The whole idea is you do not have to know anything about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis in order for you to make the right decision when you taking a trade on the market. It's easy to get in, but it's very hard to know where your exit should be. Always use your risk management and understand trading has risks, but having the right system that's guiding you, you will minimize the risk of trading. I believe in it. Let's do it.